students, welcome to class again. Today I'm going to cover a story from your text, The Pathways. The name of the story is Jungle in Jeopardy by Arup Kumar Datta. The title Jungle in Jeopardy, Jeopardy means causing harm or loss. Now what harm was caused to the jungle? Actually, this story is very related to our Kaziranga in Assam, and this story is about the adventure of the three boys mentioned in the story. So, without going to the details of the story, I will very briefly tell you what the story is all about. Now, we all know that animal poaching is quite a problem to the forest department. In Assam, the one-horned rhinos are being killed for their prized, horns. But do you think they are of any value or to the humans? All the things related to the rhinoceros's horns are fake, whether they have medicinal properties or whether they have some other value. And these horns are being traded year after year, and enough of rhinoceros have been killed in the Kaziranga. So this story is written by a very famous author called Arup Kumar Datta. Arup Kumar Datta is called the Enid Blyton of India. He writes stories for children and even for adults. Now, in stories, there is a lot of drama, mystery, and adventure. So you'll find this story in a graphic format in your text. And these stories been taken from his book, The Kaziranga Trail. And the three boys there are known as Jonty, Babul, and Thanai. And they had an elephant called Makhoni. But in this graphic, story in your text, the names are changed. The name of the three boys are Dev, Vishnu, and Shiva, and three of them were on their elephant called Daya, and they were moving into the forest of Kaziranga, and they came across an open pit, and there was a almost injured rhino, and its horn was missing. They immediately thought of reporting to the forest department, Mr. Kedar, the district forest ranger. When they went there, the forest ranger accepted them and listened to their story. But there was another man called Daru, who was the forest officer there, ranger there. He was not happy at all, and they had found a clue that one of the men who was there in that particular crime scene where the rhino was hunted, a man had a missing toe of his right foot. Mr. Daru, the forest ranger, was not at all happy at the inquisitiveness of the three boys. He said that it was of no use; they cannot do anything. The three boys were shocked in the beginning, but they insisted that Mr. Kedar should go and investigate the spot. And when they went, it was really right that they found that the people who were hunting the rhinoceros, or the poachers, they belonged to the same village, because there was a sign of local rice with fish curry, mustard fish curry, found on banana leaves. So there was no doubt that these poachers were some local villagers. Fine. After that, what happened? These three boys were attacked. They were thrown stones where there was a warning given in a bit of paper that don't mess around and with them, and do not look for that, don't get interested in that man with the missing toe. And suddenly, three of them thought, how can this person, whoever sent these stone hurtling at them, find that there was a man with the missing toe. Then they realized that only Mr. Kedar and another person was there, Daru. So Daru was a suspect. So they decided to follow Daru, and they found Daru with a suitcase for going out of his house and meeting a Mr. Bose or Basu, who was a illegal trader of rhinoceros horns. And they found him and reported it to Mr. Kedar, but Mr. Kedar was not there. But at the time when they were doing this reporting, they were also in danger. They were caught by these poachers, but then Dave escaped. So finally, Dave ran to Mrs. Kedar and informed that Vishnu and his friend, were captured or were held by by the poachers and kept in an abandoned house. Um, and Mrs. Kedar immediately called the police, and they took them to that particular house. And finally, both his friends were saved. And the police also were able to catch the poachers. And at the end, it was really the bravery of the three boys was commendable, because with their great determination and their detective and adventurous sense made them move ahead with this trail, and they finally caught the culprits. And you won't believe they were even given the bravery awards for that. So this story is about not only about bravery, but it also talks about how human beings are getting into killing animals mercilessly. So we meet again in the next class to talk more about the story. Thank you.